Hello Mac users, this is Hasibur and I have created this AppleScript for the better file management in my folders and subfolders. So let's see. When I run the AppleScript, it is asking me to select two options. One is delete listed files and list all files. As I do not have any file listed, I am choosing two. Then hit OK. Then it is asking me to select a root folder where I would like to get all the file name. So you can see my root folder is selected test, and I have files here and subfolders here where I have files in the subfolders. I'm choosing the root folder and it says all files are copied. Now I'm going to Excel or any other application where I can just paste the copied item, and you can see all file names are copied. So I want to delete so suppose I want to delete the 7 files, just copy them and paste it here. List files, enter your file names, save it and run it again. Now it is showing me to delete listed files. I'm choosing one, hit OK. I'm choosing the root folder as like previously, and selected files are deleted. Let's see. So this file stays here, this stays here, and do not have any other files. So all other files are deleted. So that's how this AppleScript works.